You have to pick her up. It's a big step for
Phoxie,
dogs.
Up. Good girl.
Keep a hand on her.
Yep.
You're doing the seatbelt. Reach behind you to your right.
Phoxie.
Kind of keep some kind of control over her. And
Yep.
then this can be pulled out like this.
Girl.
That's my girl.
2 clicks. Okay, good. And then tighten them like this. Pull that one down.
I'm pulling on the wrong strap. Okay.
Try it. Pull hard. Straight out. Pull out and just pull back. Okay, so that releases.
Okay, great.
That works somehow not to work. This comes forward like this.
Uh-huh.
You can come out this way.
Oh, okay.
That works to not work. This pulls off. This plastic thing just pulls off, right?
Okay.
And then you go back, like up, and that takes off this bar here.
Gotcha.
Any questions?
No, I think we're good. Good girl.
Okay. So I'll help you out when you come. Dave, we're pretty much ready. Watch your step.
Yeah.
Remember, keep your head down as you walk out.
Let's see here.
I'll kind of go like this to remind you.
Okay.